So in my pan, guys, I've got here my butter and my sugar, and I'm just gonna cream it along so I get it nice and smooth for my cookies. And so this peanut butter raisin cookie is one of my guys' favorite cookies. So I thought for snack today I would make them this. So I am just gonna cream this out. This is not a cake, so this does not have to cream out as smooth as when you're doing a cake mixture. It's just got to be smooth enough that it's not crystallized when you're baking it. So here we go. And if you like these kind of videos, I am asking you to subscribe to this channel and give this video a thumbs up. I would be greatly appreciated. So this is going very nice. And so I am just gonna give this a little bit more cream. So now I'm gonna add my eggs. I'm gonna add my eggs one at a time. Cream this out. I like this method for making this kind of cookie, where it's a little more softer than the hard, crunchy cookies. This is a softer cookie. And my guys seem to like this a lot. And the recipe will be in the description box, so you could try it for yourself and see how great it is. So here we go. So now what I'm gonna do is add my peanut butter to this. And I've got my peanut butter here, and I'm using the smooth peanut butter. Of course, if your guys or whoever you're making it with likes the crunchy peanut butter, hey, make it even better. But I'm using smooth right now since they tend to like it smooth. Alright, I'm gonna add my vanilla and my essence, just for good measure. Now I'm gonna add my flour, and in my flour here I've got baking powder and a small amount of cornstarch just for texture, and salt. I'm going to add a little at a time. Add some more. I'm gonna add a small amount of milk to this and add the rest of the flour and add my almond flour, and then I add the raisin. I like to add the raisin now because it gets coated with a little bit of flour on it, and it keeps it from like sinking to the bottom of your cookie. So when you add it now, it has a little bit of flour on them so they don't sink. See, that's it. Now it's time for my almond flour. There it is. And there is the cookie dough. There is your perfect cookie dough. This is the texture you want. That's it. So I will put it on the baking sheet now, and I'll be right back. Okay, so I just train these up now. There's our cookies. So now I am going to bake these cookies off for about 19 minutes. We'll see, between 17 and 19 minutes, and at 350 degrees, and I will come back and let you see the finished product. So here are the finished products, and they are looking marvelous and delicious. Raisin peanut butter cookies, delicious. Okay, here it is, cookies and milk, the perfect combo.